welcome to the P&J Talk Show. And today I'll be interviewing James Gosling. James, can you tell us a bit about yourself?
Well, as you know, I'm a Canadian, but I am living in the San Francisco Bay Area currently. I was born May 19th, 1955, right outside of Calgary, Alberta, and I first went to the University of Calgary. I got my first degree in science, not computer science, but then I went to Carnegie Mellon University in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and that's where I received my master's and PhD in computer science.
Very interesting. I also understand you jumped around jobs a little. Can you tell us a bit about that?
Well, yeah. So I'm mainly known for Java, as you probably know, but I joined Sun Microsystems. Where I joined Sun Microsystems in about 1984, and I stayed there for about 24 years. And in 1991, 7 years later, I invented Java. So, yeah. Currently, right now, I'm working at the Amazon Web Service, and I have been working there since 2017, where I left Sun Microsystems in Santa Clara, California.
Impressive. Can you please tell us some of your contributions to computer technology?
Well, AJ, as you know, I'm best known for inventing Java, which is a programming language widely used around the world in the programming community. But I'm also known for writing Gosling Emacs, which is a book that solves the classical string-to-string correction problem algorithm. And yeah, that was quite a big success as well.
Sounds cool. Now can you explain to us about the origins of Java and who it's marketed towards?
Well, the origins of Java, I first came up with Java in my early graduate years when I was trying to create a program for my school lab's computer, or like my university lab's computer, so my professor could run certain programs and look through it. Who uses Java? Really, Java is popular with web designers and web servers. It's used by some of the largest websites. You know, you go to Amazon, it's used by Amazon. Java is also used to create lots of mobile apps, like a lot of mobile apps and like single applications for that may run on like a single computer, just like one computer, or on a distributed networks, like similar to some video games today. It's also used to create small application programs that are based on the program applet, if you're familiar with that, and it's further used for web pages. So in conclusion, it's used in almost every mobile app on the Android store, on the Google Play Store, and it's used by many web designers, like web servers, and yeah.
Okay. Now finally, can you explain to us how this affects everyday people like myself?
Well, I mean, Java software affects us every day, even if we might not know it, because Java is in some of the most popular social media apps that we have today. Like, what social media apps do you use? Just like list two.
I use Instagram and Snapchat.
Yeah, well, Java is used in both of those, as well as Facebook, Instagram, as you said, Instagram and Snapchat. It's used in Instagram and Snapchat, Amazon, and almost all Android apps. So if you have an Android phone and you're like looking at your apps, it basically uses Java's in every single app.
Thank you everyone for tuning into the P&J Talk Show, and we'll see you again next time.